Hello everyone, I hope you will be safe and fit at home. And previous topic I have discussed about selection statement, looping. There are two types of iteration. One is a while, another is a for loop. We have discussed about the while loop, while iteration. Now next I am explaining here with the while loop else part. While with the else part. So see here x is a variable here, equal is a assignment operator, 1 is a value which is assigning to x. Now while x less than 3 means this condition is correct because what is the value of x? It is a 1. So it is a less than 3. This condition is correct. So it will print this statement with the x value. What is the value of x here? 1. Now it is updated with the 1. Earlier, previous, what is the declaration of x is a 1. 1 equal 1 plus 1. So what is the value of x here? 2. Now else part, it is printing as a 2 second loop. First, directly it will print the value of x. What is the value of x? That is a 1. 1 will be printing. Then again it will repeat again. Second time it will print as a 2. Because this update part will be executed as a update. So next else part, what is the else inside? Again it will work as a 3. So this condition again 3 times it will execute. So here again it is updated with the 1. The value of x will be 3. So see here inside while loop, value of x is 1. This is a declaration. And again updated with the 1. The value of x is a 2. Again it is a updated with the third times, 0 to 2 times it will work. So it is 3. So next is while loop. Loop within a loop, that is called nested loop. Block of statement belongs to the while, can have another while statement. For example, while can condition another while. See here, I equal 1. What is the value of I here? 1. Now, while I less than equal 3. This condition is a correct because what is the value of I here? 1. So, this become a true. So, colon you have to use, apply here, colon with the if statement, with the while, with the for, you have to use a colon. So, j equal 1. This is a declaration of another loop. While j less than equal I, this condition become a true. Print j, this is a and space, j equal j plus 1 means first it will update with the inner loop, then it will update with the outer loop. This update with the outer loop. See here, I equal I plus 1 means this is a outer loop update, this is a inner loop update. So first it will display 1. What is the value of I here? I will be printed as a 1. Now second times it is update. This is called row and this is called column. First outer loop, that is called row, and inner loop, that is called column. First it is displaying only 1. Second updated with the column, so it is a 2. And third times, because this will work till 0 to 1 to 3 times. So first 1, second 1 2 and 1 2 3. So this is a print output, and I am showing you also. See, I equal 1. This is a declaration of 1. While I less than equal 3, this condition it will work because I value is a 1. So this condition will become a true. Here the declaration of second loop, j equal 1. This is a j is a variable here using with the while. So it is a nested loop, loop within a loop. One loop inside another loop, that is called nested loop. So here while j less than equal I, it will work till I. It will work till I. So this is the outer loop, this is the inner loop. This is also called row and this is also called column. So print j. This column is printing. This is a space. J equal j plus 1 means this first inner loop will be updated. Then slash n means next line, and I equal I plus 1 means first loop. This will be update of this. So I am running this. See here. First it is displaying 1. Second time 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 because it will work till 3. See, if I will change the value of this, I am running this. See here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will increase the row, it will automatically increase the, see I am increasing a row, this is a row. I am increasing as a 10 rows. So column automatically increase. See I am running this. See. So first 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. So 10 time it will execute. This is a 1. Update with the second, update with the third, update till 10 condition, till condition, last condition 2, it will work. So same I am working with the another. See here, this is a previous one example. Here x equal 1 while x less than 3. This is given 2, 3 times it will work. X less than 3. Print inside a while x will be printed. X equal x. So this is the update part. X equal x plus 1 means already it is given 1. 1 equal 1 plus 1 means it become a 2. And third times it become a 3. So else part will not execute it. So see here. 1, 2. This is a else part. 3. If I increase this 5, see what happens. See 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5. It will work till 5. And this is working. Now next. Here we'll discuss about the for loop. There are two types of iteration. First, I have discussed about the while loop. Now, for loop. What is for loop? The for statement is used to repeat itself over a range. Range you have to give over here, range of value or a sequence such as a list, string or tuple. It can be such as a increase as a list, string and tuple. What is the syntax here? For condition variable. Just like a condition I have used while loop. You have to give the control variable here. For control variable. In while previously I have declared I, j. Now you have to declare inside a for loop, that is a control variable. After this you have to use in operator. In is a membership operator. In operator you have to use then sequence, beginning, range or update part you can give here. So else part also can be used. Block of statement 1, block of statement 2. See here example 4i. 4 is a iteration. That is a two types of iteration using here, while and for. And don't use for as a variable. I as a counter variable. You can use any variable as a counter variable. In is a membership operator here. Range specify beginning, ending and update part. So range, after range in a bracket, this one is a beginning part, this is a stop, ending part, and this is called update part. You have to separate it each with the comma, and in a last you have to apply a colon operator here. Print I comma and this is for space, print I. Whatever you are using counter variable, that will be printed. See here, it is given 11, so it will work till 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is a natural. If you apply here slash n, it will print like a 1 2 3 4 in a that way. And the statement introduce function range. Range, in a range what you have to start, this is 1 is a start part, stop 11 is a stop part, step 1 2 3 4 5 any step you can give. This is the optional, you can use or you can't use it. So this part, range generate the list of value in a string from a start till the stop, and step, if given, is added to the value generated to the get next value in the list. So iteration, I is variable. I is the variable which I have using in a I. I have used I here. So I is a variable here. So which keeps getting the value. What does it? It keeps on getting a value generated by range. What is range generated in a function? And block of statements are worked for each value of I. Each value which is a belong to I, as the last value will be assigned to I. The loop block is executed last time and control is returned to the next statement. First it will print a 1, second time it will update it with the 1 value, that is a 2, third time it is updated with the 1, that is a 3. Just till the last condition true, it will update it with the each and every time. If else is just specified in a for statement, then next statement executed will be else. Now we can easily understand the result of for statement. Range generate with the list of 1 2 3 4 till the 10 step mentioned. I keep on getting. See here, I am giving you example here. So see, 4 is a keyword, 4 is a iteration. Letter I have given in a, instead of I have given a letter. This is a variable. You can write anything here. In is a membership operator. Text I have written here. I am writing here Python. Welcome to Python. Welcome to Python I have written here. If letter equal H. H means this. Continue. So print letter. See here. See first welcome to Python. So this goes to the next line. If I am writing like this, so Python will be work. I am using I also any variables you can use which can be used here, that